Eli's flashlight cut through the murky blue as he drifted deeper toward the sunken vessel. His hand brushed against a metal box half buried in sand. Curiosity sparked. He opened it, revealing a waterproof recorder, its light still faintly blinking. Eli pressed play. Suddenly, voices echoed through his headset. Laughter, stories, even a haunting lullaby. The crew's final moments played out in crackling fragments, woven with hope and fear. Eli surfaced, heart pounding, realizing he'd heard memories preserved by the sea, voices once lost, now whispering their truth beneath the waves.